You know what? I was right about that catfish pond, because just 5 more minutes later, a little bit of a climb, not much, I found it. And there you see, it's just this little thing of water that gets less and less as the summer comes on. And, you know, up here in the winter, this pond is covered with, you know, easily 10 feet of snow. Like, they get over 30 feet here. And I'll show you, it's just like, now see, the last time I was here in the middle of last summer, it was green with algae, so I couldn't see things very well. Now today's cloudy, kind of a bummer, but here we are. We're just going to check this baby out. And see, it's just, it's got the cliffs over there on the north face. Of course, they face south. Probably melt the ice sooner there. And, yeah, this water doesn't look super clear anyway. But I'm going to go over where I did it last year, and I stood on a rock, and I chummed out. Oh, you know what? The rock that I stood on is underwater still. Okay. Well, here we go. Let's throw out some of the chum and see what we get. Be disappointed now if guys don't show up. With all this trouble. Alright, let's give them a chance. I don't see anything yet. Come on, boys. It could easily be holed up in one location. It's going to take them a few minutes to get a handle on this. Mosquitoes are here too, but they were worse down below at the little pond I first passed. Oh, come on, you guys. Up here they come. I see one. There, see him? Hang on. Here they come, baby. See, there it goes. Here they come. Once one finds them, you know the rest of these babies are coming. And they're not like wild trout. These guys are, they don't care that I'm standing here. They're going to come coming in for the food. I think. I got to get the food a little closer. Oh, here they come. See, they put their mouths right up to the surface. These guys aren't afraid. Starting to fool around. Fortunately, I have a little bit more bread in my pocket. I have to. I've got to start breaking it up. Here come the big boys. Here they come. Ha ha. Come on, let's go. Chinese catfish, first planted in late 1860s by Chinese cooks who thought Central Pacific Railroad was already bringing them fresh seafood, but sometimes I guess they didn't get the delivery, or it wasn't that good, and I guess that some of the cooks said, why don't you bring us some live catfish? We're going to be here building, you know, carving out this tunnel for another couple of years. We'll plant the local pond, and if you ever don't have fish, fresh fish, we'll go up there and net some. And that's how this happened, because you don't find catfish indigenous to the 7,000-foot elevations of the High Sierra. I'm sorry, it just doesn't go that way, but look at, now we're getting there. See, now we're getting there. We're getting some activity. Here we go. These guys go crazy for this bread. Trying to blow up the mosquitoes, rip the bread, feed the catfish, do the video, and I guess we've learned to multitask. Trying to get more into the sun so Maybe we get a better view. Here's a big piece. Who's listening? We get a lunker for this one. It's funny, when I look in the monitor here, the viewfinder, I can't see anything. So I'm just hoping I'm getting in on this. Back it up just in case. You can see these babies, I'm sure of it. Yeah, they're coming.